Hey there, it's Dawn D'Amico, your trusted realtor, and welcome to Maximize Your Home. Whether you're selling, buying, or just sprucing up your space, I'm here to share the best tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your home. Don't forget to hit that like button and, more importantly, subscribe for more tips that'll save you headaches and a few bucks down the road. Let's talk about roofs. Yeah, I know, it's not exactly the most exciting topic. No one's pinning dream roof photos on Pinterest. But if you're thinking about selling your home and your roof is creeping up in age, you're gonna wanna hear this. Here's the deal. Insurance companies are getting a little picky when it comes to roofs, and the age of your roof is playing a much bigger role in the home selling process. Even if your roof looks perfectly fine, no leaks, no missing shingles, just quietly doing its job, if it's past a certain age, it could be a problem. And that age depends on your region. For instance, where I live, it's the 15-year mark. In Florida, insurers start getting picky at the 10-year mark. You see, at a certain age, your roof presents a greater liability to your insurance company. A buyer may still be able to get insurance, but at a higher premium with higher deductibles, and the insurer may only cover a portion of the loss if there is one in the future. This is a new trend we're seeing, and it's throwing a wrench into what used to be a smooth home sale. Take one of my clients, for example. They had a 20-year-old roof in great condition. No leaks, no missing shingles, just a solid, reliable roof. The buyers loved the home and everything seemed ready to move forward, but then their insurance company flagged the roof as too old and they refused to cover it. The deal fell apart and we had to rely on a backup offer. Even then, the second buyer had to pay extra for insurance just to get the deal done. And here's the surprising part. This isn't just happening in hurricane-prone states like Florida. It's creeping into other areas. It's definitely something to be aware of. Insurance companies are getting stricter, with some refusing to renew policies for roofs over 20 years old. Others will only cover the depreciated value of the roof instead of a full replacement. Now, I'm not saying you need to rush out and slap on a new roof tomorrow. But if you're planning to sell and your roof is older, it's something to be aware of. Sure, replacing a roof isn't cheap and it might not seem like the most thrilling pre-sale upgrade, but it's better than losing your buyer over an issue that's preventable. Being aware that your roof could become a roadblock to your sale and doing some preliminary search on what insurers are looking for in your area is best. And that's where I come in. If all of this feels overwhelming, don't worry, you're not alone. Let's connect and make sure your home and its roof are ready to shine in today's market so you can sell with confidence and peace of mind. Replacing a roof isn't exactly the first thing most home sellers think about. It's a big expense, and hey, if it's not leaking, why mess with it, right? But here's the thing. Waiting to deal with a roof issue can set off a chain reaction that turns your smooth sale into a bumpy ride. Picture this. You've listed your home for sale, buyers are excited, and you're already dreaming about handing over the keys. Then, mid-process, the buyer's insurance company flags the roof as a problem. Now, instead of celebrating, you're backtracking, scrambling to either replace the roof or offer a credit. And let's be real, credits can get expensive. A $10,000 roof replacement might sound painful enough, but I've seen credits go much higher when buyers have to take on the responsibility of the replacement. Even worse, a deal falling through doesn't just mean stress for you. It sends red flags to other buyers. Suddenly, your perfectly good home has baggage. Buyers start wondering, why did the first deal fall apart? And don't forget the timeline. Roof replacements aren't a same-day Amazon delivery situation. Between finding a contractor, scheduling the work, and dealing with weather delays, you could be looking at weeks added to your timeline. If you're on a tight deadline to move, those delays can feel like an eternity. Let's not sugarcoat it. Selling a home is stressful enough without throwing roof drama into the mix. Packing boxes, juggling showings, and negotiating offers already a full plate. Adding a last-minute roof crisis, that's something you just don't need. So here's my advice. Be proactive. A little preparation now saves a ton of headaches later. You don't want to be that seller stuck explaining why your home is back on the market, or worse, the buyers are asking for credits in excess of the cost of replacing the roof in the first place. When you're ready, I'm here to help you make the smart moves before you list. Let's make sure your home is set up to sell without any hiccups. Let's face it, selling a home is like preparing for the ultimate job interview. You've got to dress it up, clean it up, and show it off. And just like you wouldn't walk into an interview with a giant coffee stain on your shirt, you don't want your roof to be the reason buyers are turned off. Here's the good news. You don't have to be a roofing expert to figure out whether your roof needs attention before listing it. First things first, check your paperwork. Do you know when the roof was installed or last replaced? If it's been a while and you're scratching your head trying to remember, it's probably time for a closer look. Next, take a quick stroll outside and give your roof a good once-over. Are there any missing shingles or curling shingles? Maybe a few spots look more like a patchwork quilt than sturdy protection? Do parts of your roof look a little off, like they've seen one too many snowstorms or heat waves? And don't forget to check for discoloration. It might not seem like a big deal, but to buyers, uneven coloring can scream big issues. If your roof is looking more like a before photo than an after, it's probably time for some TLC. A fresh, clean-looking roof doesn't just improve curb appeal, it tells buyers the home has been cared for. Think of it like giving your house a proper haircut before the big event. Not sure what you're looking for? That's okay. That's where the pros come in. A professional roof inspection is like a health checkup for your home. It's affordable, quick, and gives you a clear picture of what's going on up there. Plus, it saves you from awkward surprises later. No one wants a buyer pointing out a roofing issue that you didn't even know existed. If the inspection comes back clean, great. You're ready to go. If it doesn't, don't panic. Replacing a few shingles or patching a minor leak is a lot easier and cheaper than dealing with buyer negotiations over a full roof replacement. Remember, buyers want to feel confident in their purchase. A solid roof isn't just about looks, it's about peace of mind. Taking the time to prepare now will make your home more appealing and keep the sale of your home running smoothly. And if you're unsure where to start, you know who to call. Me. I'll help you navigate every step so you can sell your home confidently. Thanks for spending time with me here on Maximize Your Home. From understanding how roof age can impact your sale to the cost of waiting and preparing your roof for success, we've got it covered. If this helped you feel more confident about getting your home ready to sell, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to make the most of your home sale. And as always, if you have questions or just want to chat about your own home selling journey, drop a comment below and let's keep maximizing your home together.